We already discussed the factorization of quadratic polynomial. Now we will discuss about the factorization of cubic polynomial. Okay, factorization of cubic polynomial, and so many steps is there. Cubic polynomial directly. Okay, then suppose this question: x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. We need to factorize this question because the highest power is 3. We need 3 factors. And first we can do like this. First step, first you write p of x equal to the given question. P of x equal to the given question. After that we can done the value of polynomial. First we can substitute p of 1, p of minus 1, p of 2, p of minus 2, like then. When we got answer 0, we can stop there. Suppose first you find out p of 1. If you got answer 0, we can move to another method. Okay, if you got p of 1 not equal to 0, then find out p of minus 1, p of 2, like that. Okay, therefore first we can find out p of 1. P of 1 equal to 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square minus 1 plus 2. That is 1 cube is 1 itself minus 2 into 1 square is 2 minus 1 plus 2. Here 1 and 2, 3 minus that is 0. Therefore p of 1 we got 0. First step we got answer 0, that's no. Therefore p of 1 equal to 0. Therefore we can write like this: p of 1 equal to 0. Then what we can conclude? X minus 1 is a factor. We can write like this: p of 1 equal to 0. P of positive 1 means we can write x minus 1 is a factor. Therefore one of the factor we got now x minus 1. Clear? First we can find out p of 1. If you got 0, otherwise we can start p of minus 1. In that case we got 0, we can stop there. Okay, therefore we write like this: so p of 1 equal to 0, then x minus 1 is a factor. Therefore if we got one of the factor now, because here x cube is there, we need 3 factors. One of the factor we got now, p of 1 equal to then x minus 1 is a factor. First factor we find out now. Then we can find out the second factor. Second factor we can find out by dividing. Okay, therefore we can dividing by long okay, we can done the long division. X cube, then the long division here, then the long division here, that is x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 dividing by x minus 1. One of the factor we got now, just we can, after that we can divide the long division we need to do. That division already we can practice all. Okay, so many questions like this. Therefore I can directly, therefore x square into x cube, x square into minus 1 x square. X cube cancel, here becomes plus minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1x square, next term minus x. Then minus 1x square by x minus 1x, minus 1 into x, that is minus 1x square, minus into minus plus, that is plus 1x. Again change the sign here, minus x, that is minus 2x plus 2. Then minus 2x by x, that is here minus 2. Minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus 2 into minus 1, that is plus 2. Remainder you got 0. If you got remainder 0 means your division is correct. If you got any other answer here other than 0, that means the division somewhere the mistake. You can find out the mistake and you can clear it. Okay, therefore remainder 0 means that the answer is correct. Okay, therefore after that we got the quotient like this: quotient equal to x square minus 1x minus 2. We got the quotient, got a quadratic equation like this. Quotient we got x square minus 1x minus 2. Then we can factorize this quadratic polynomial. That also we can discuss. Factorization of quadratic polynomial. Okay, clear? We can write like this: a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1, c is equal to minus 2. The factorization of quadratic polynomial already discussed. Okay, therefore product is equal to a into c, that is minus 2. Sum equal to minus 1. Which are the numbers? Product is minus 2 and the sum is minus 1. We got the numbers minus 2 and 1. Numbers we got minus 2 and 1. After that you can split the middle term. X square minus 2x plus 1x minus 2. This is quadratic, okay, factorization of quadratic product. First practice that, okay. Then from these two we can take x common, remaining x minus 2 plus 1 is common, then x minus 2. No common term is there, we can write 1 outside. Therefore, here we got x minus 2, here remaining x plus 1. We got 2 more factors now. Here we got first factor and here we got 2 more factors. Therefore, last you write like this, p of x equal to, we can write 3 factors, x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x plus 1. We got 3 factors because the highest power is 3, we got 3 factors here. This is the factorization of cubic polynomial. First we can find out the first 0 by like this value of polynomial. P of 1 find out, if you 0 we can stop there like that, otherwise p of minus 1, then p of 2, p of minus 2 like that. In that case we always one of them we got 0. After we can find out the first factor, then dividing by using that factor, remainder you got 0 means the division is correct. After that quotient can be split again like this factorization method, quadratic polynomial, and find out the remaining 2 zeros. The last you write first 0 and 2 zeros here. The last answer we got like this, p of x is equal to x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x plus 1. Like that we got 3 factors. This is the factorization of cubic polynomial. Okay, one more question I can explain. Okay. The steps is like this, okay. First you find out one of the factor, then dividing by using that factor, remainder 0, then quotients, you got a quadratic polynomial. Again you can factorize, that much step we need to use here, okay. Next question like this, x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Next we need to factorize this polynomial, x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. For p of x equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Okay. We can first what we done first we can find out p of 1 is equal to 0, that's the power. Otherwise find out p of minus 1. Okay, therefore first we can find out p of 1. P of 1 means 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square minus 9 into 1 minus 5. Therefore 1 cube 1 minus 3 minus 9 minus 5. Therefore 1 minus 3 minus 9 minus 5. Therefore here these are negative numbers. Therefore after addition and subtraction we got minus 16. Okay, here we got minus 16, that's the answer. Okay, minus 16 we got. That is not equal to 0. That is not equal to 0. P of 1 not equal to 0. Then find out p of minus 1. Then you can find out p of minus 1. P of minus 1 means minus 1 cube minus 3 into minus 1 square minus 9 into minus 1 minus 4. This is value of polynomial, that already you know. Then minus 1 cube is minus 1 itself. Minus 1 square is 1, 1 into minus 3 minus 3. Minus 9 into that is minus into plus 9. Here minus 5. Therefore minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 minus 9, 9 minus 9 you got answer 0. P of minus 1 you got 0. That means which one is the factor? P of minus 1 equal to 0. Then what we can conclude? Here minus 1 means change the sign. X plus 1 is a factor. You got x plus 1 is a factor. Because P of minus 1 0, write x plus 1. Suppose P of 2 0 means x minus 2 factor. Like that we need to write. Therefore, we got one of the factor now by value of polynomial. This already you know. If you got one of the factor, now divides. The question can be divided. Therefore, x cube we can divide properly. Okay, that is x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5 by which one? X plus 1 dividing by x plus 1, x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5 dividing by x plus 1. Normal, first one by first one, that is x square here, x square into x cube, x square into 1, that is 1x square. Everyone know the division, otherwise you can practice the division, I already told you, okay. Then minus 3, here it becomes minus 3 minus becomes minus 4, minus 4x square, next term minus 9x. After divide, minus 4x square dividing by x, minus 4x square dividing by x, that is minus 4x, minus 4x into x, minus 4x into x, minus 4x square, minus 4x into, that is minus 4x. This will cancel. Here become plus, minus 9 and plus 4. Minus 9 and plus 4 becomes minus 5x. Remaining next term is minus 5. Minus 5x divided by x, that is minus 5. Minus 5 into x, minus 5x, minus into 5, that is minus 5. Same term here means the remainder is 0. Therefore, this is division is okay. So, we got the quotient like that, x square minus 4x minus 5. Therefore, we got the answer like that, quotient equal to x square minus 4x minus 5. Quotient equal to, you got x square minus, quotient you got x square minus 4x minus 5. This is a quadratic polynomial. The factorization of quadratic polynomial already you know by using a, b, c like that, okay. Here a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4, c is equal to minus 5. Then product is equal to a into, that is minus 5. Sum is equal to minus 4. You can find out two numbers. Product is minus 5 and sum is minus 4. Which are the numbers? 1 and a minus 5. Because 1 into minus 5, that is minus 5. 1 plus minus 5, that is minus 4. Satisfy that two condition. After that, split the middle term. Question can be changed like this, x square plus 1x minus 5x minus 5. For minus 4x can be split by using that numbers. Okay. Here we can split the middle term like this, x square minus 4x minus 5. Therefore, x square plus 1x minus 5x. After that, from these two we can take x as common, remaining x plus 1. Here these two are negative, therefore negative 5 we can take as common, again x plus 1. Therefore, x plus 1 same is there. We got x plus 1 into x minus 5. Two more factors we got. Here x plus 1, here again we got x plus 1 and x minus 5. Therefore, last you write p of x is equal to, x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 here, okay, x plus 1 into x minus 5. This is the final answer. P of x is equal to x plus 1 into x plus 1 into x minus 5. This is the factorization of cubic polynomial. Value of polynomial we can use here, division used here, factorization of quadratic polynomial we can use here. You can practice the problems again and again, then you got idea more, okay, then you got more ideas, okay.